Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to this new channel, Natural Sciences, grade 8 and 9. And today we are looking at this question. It says that consider the diagram below, showing a boy pulling a block of a surface. Okay, this is what we are having here. And they say write the name of each of the force labeled and state whether it's contact or non-contact. Okay. Yeah, these are the forces we are having. We have A, we have B, we have C, and D. And what are they? Okay, when you look at A, what do you see? It's moving in opposite direction to the boy. So A is opposing motion. And what is the name given to the force which opposes motion? The name of the force is friction force. Okay, the force is friction. But is it contact or non-contact? The force is contact. Yeah, so we come to this one, B. Yes, B is this force which is going downwards. What do we call force B? Force B is gravitational force, the force which the earth exerts on the body. Okay, now we know it's gravitational. But is it contact or non-contact? Gravitation is non-contact. Yeah, now we have C, force C. Force C comes as a result of the ground. It's the force which the ground exerts on the body. Okay? And what do we call that force? We call it normal force. Okay, now we know the force is normal. But is it contact or non-contact? The force is contact. Yeah, then we come to D. D is the force in the string. Okay. What is the name of the force in the string? The name is tension or tensional force. And then the next question is, what is the nature of tensional force? Is it contact or non-contact? The answer is contact. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that considering the box below being pulled by an attached string, write the letter and the name of the force identified with the statement below. An example, you are supposed to say T is magnetic field. Okay, this is the setup. Then you come to the question. It says the force which opposes motion of an object over the surface. Which force is here which is opposing the motion? Okay, you have to remember that the body is moving to the right. Okay? And the one which is opposing right is supposed to go to the left. So it's supposed to be A. That force is A. And what is A? A is friction force. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says the force in the string between the box and applied force. That force is D. And what is the name of D? The force is called tensional force. Or simply tension. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says the force the earth exerts on the block or on the box. Yeah, what is that force here which the earth exerts on this box? The force is B. And what's the name of B? It is called gravitational force. Yeah, then we come to this one. The force the ground exerts on the box. Okay? Yes, between all these forces, which is that force which the ground exerts on the box? The force is C. And what do you call C? We call it normal force. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that from the diagram above, identify which pair of forces on the box represent action-reaction pair. Yeah, which of the two forces here form what we call action-reaction pair? The answer is C and B. C and B, where C is the reaction, C is reaction, and B is the action. And with that, I'd like to thank you for your time. The channel is Natural Sciences Grade 8 and 9. We urge you to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. We believe it's going to be the best channel in this aspect. See you next time. Bye bye.